Hi guys. Hi, I got a new mic. So I can do like stuff like this, like oh yeah. So I recently got this new mic for Christmas from my dad. So basically, I love this mic. It is super good. I don't know how it sounds. I can always go back to my files and go look back at on it. It might seems good. Let me know in the comments. This was more of a test, and be sure to subscribe. Um, the watch time receivers is not subscribed is 68.2. Subscribed is 31.8. Let's let's create the subscribe to 100. Yeah. So see you guys. Bye.